channel. We are back with one more challenge video. I guess हम ये challenge video बहुत time बाद कर रहे हैं. And we are doing the famous one dip makeup challenge. To be honest, मैंने ये पहले किसी का video नहीं देखा है. Like, I've not seen the video. I've heard a lot about this. So I'm really excited, but at the same time very nervous about it.
Me too, actually. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so for the first step, we are going to color correct, and I'm using the BH Cosmetics Conceal and Corrector palette. And इसमें orange corrector पे already pan hit हो चुका है. But yeah, I'm gonna use that because कोई twist up वाला आप use नहीं कर सकते, right? For that, so I'm gonna be using this.
For me, I am using this Nykaa Conceal and Corrector palette, and I'm going to use this orange corrector.
Okay, so let's dig in. So for my dip, I'm going to be using my fingers because इसमें pan में है ही नहीं product.
Yeah. I'm going to use this brush.
And 2, 3, go.
Okay, I guess that's a lot of product.
Yeah. Okay, so I've also taken it and let's begin.
Okay, that is a lot of character. But I guess I can work with it. I don't like the shade. Like, it's too dark.
Okay, so now moving on to foundation. I'm using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I'm in the shade Y335.
I'm using this Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation, and I'm in the shade 3.1.
Okay, so let's take one pump of it. This is a pretty decent coverage foundation. तो अगर half pump भी आए तो I really don't mind. मैंने तो half ही लिया है. मतलब I think that's more than enough for me.
I am not sure about this. Let's see. Okay, I feel that's a less product. Don't you think so?
Oh, is it? मेरे लिए तो that's more than enough.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah. For me, I anyways use very less foundation. I don't like to use a lot of foundation. मैं concealer full coverage prefer करती हूँ. So, and also guys, sorry if there's a lot of background construction noise. Exactly मेरे cross वाले building में construction चल रहा है. So yeah.
I'm using a foundation brush and blending it. I feel I should have blended my orange corrector a little bit more.
You can still blend it.
Foundation की coverage तो मेरे को बहुत light लग रही है because I'm a person who uses full coverage.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so next moving on to concealer, we are going to be using the I'm going to be using the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. I'm in the shade Tan Neutral.
I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium. I guess this is going to save my under eyes right now.
Yeah, it's a very full coverage.
Yeah.
So we'll just show you all for one dip. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
I think that would work.
Yeah, same.
So guys, Happy New Year, by the way. This is our first video that we are filming in 2021. And I think the first video that we are uploading as well.
Yes.
So yeah, hope your year is as great as ours is going to be.
Hopefully. Tell me, what did you guys do for New Year?
Yeah, let us know in the comments. Were you all partying or were you all at home?
What did you do, Urvi?
I was partying.
Nice.
I went out with my friends and cousins.
Okay.
And we went out for a good dinner, but of course curfew के पहले घर पे आना पड़ा. So basically, technically New Year घर पे हुआ, but still, New Year's Eve was fun for me. It was a good off evening for me from work. What did you do?
I was at my nanny's place. We were having a gala time over there, just enjoying with family, and we stayed over. Everyone stayed over there only. So we were having a lot of fun. I feel my base is done and it looks good finally.
Yeah, dark circles गायब हो जाते हैं उसके बाद सब अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah, actually.
And I think base के लिए, at least for me, I do exactly the same thing only. वो dip से मुझे इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ा as of now.
For me, I might have used a little bit of more foundation. That's it. And a less concealer. Correct. Sorry, not concealer.
Okay, now moving on to powder. I am going to be using a loose powder because उसमें product थोड़ा ज़्यादा आ जाएगा. So I'm using the PAC HD powder. This is in the shade Banana.
I'm going to use the K Beauty loose powder, and this is in the shade Olive. So how are we going to use this?
So we'll just dip our brush into it and then whatever jitna brush mein aaya utna sahi. So I have a sponge, so I think a sponge would do a better job. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
So I'll just dip it. You also, she's using a brush.
Okay, I'm scared for this.
Okay, 1 2 3 go.
Okay.
Okay, I don't think ज़्यादा कुछ आया है इसमें.
Same.
I mean, अंडर आइज तो सेट होगा. अच्छा होगा एक्चुअली काफी प्रोडक्ट आया है इसमें. Okay. What about you?
My under eyes are done. And a little bit of my T-zone.
Okay, I think that would work, na?
Yeah.
So actually, na base is not an issue here.
Yeah.
The issue is eyes, but yeah, we will complete the base first.
Yes.
Okay. So next we are going to be using a bronzer. I'm using the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula.
I'm using this Kiko Milano Golden Waves bronzer.
So of course अभी ये तो brush से ही करना है. चलो.
Yeah.
Okay. 1 2 3. Okay.
That's a lot of less product.
Yeah.
मैं तो ऐसे usually product लेती हूँ bronzer.
Okay, now अब इसको dust off नहीं कर रही मैं तो.
Yeah, same.
I'll just stamp it एक बारी and then I'll dust off. Okay.
I am bronzing my face after ages. I had stopped bronzing
Really?
my face. Yeah.
I've actually started enjoying bronzing. पता नहीं क्यों. All of a sudden, face fat कम हो रहा है इसीलिए शायद. But I think yeah, मतलब shadow तो आ रहा है.
Yeah.
So I'm okay. Forehead और nose के लिए नहीं बचा product, but ठीक है.
Yeah, exactly.
थोड़ा brush घुमा देती हूँ ऐसे. Okay, so I'm using the My Glam K Play Strawberry Blush in the shade Juicy Strawberry 02.
I'm using the PAC blush. This is in the shade 009.
This is hands down my favorite blush at the moment. So yeah, chalo. Okay, yeah, I think that's a lot.
Yeah, same.
Oh, that's a lot. Now moving on to highlighter, I am going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold.
I'm going to use this MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter. Just taking a lot of it.
Yeah, I think I'm done. That's a lot of product. Off.
Okay, wow.
This is so straight up gold. Like
Yeah.
it's shining. We've tried to take products that are a bit high on pigmentation
Yeah.
so that we don't have to like dip. I mean, we can't only dip, but yeah, you get the point. Okay, so for eyebrows, it was a tricky part because pencil तो आप use नहीं कर सकते and
Yeah.
we don't really have a pomade जिसमें आप dip कर सको. So I have this gel. This is the ColourPop Brow Boss gel in the shade Soft Black. अब ये एक ही है तो we're gonna share. So पहले मैं कर लेती हूँ.
Yes.
This is going to be tricky because I have really sparse eyebrows and मैं तो ऐसा 3-4 बार dip करती हूँ.
Oh.
So like okay, wait, starting से. इसको अच्छे से घुमाओ. ओके पकड़. आई डोंट नो, थोड़ा आगे से तो हो ही जाएगा. Oops. Yeah, I mean, okay.
Making sure मेरे पास भी थोड़ा product आए. And now, opening it. Okay, I'm using this for the very first
Yeah.
time. So I don't know how is this going to work. Okay. I'm scared. Okay. एक तो eyebrows बढ़ी हुई है.
Now moving on to setting spray to
Yeah.
set our base. Again, this is a tricky part because एक spray में पूरा face
Oh,
cover करना
yeah.
is a bit tricky. So what are we going to use?
We are using the ColourPop All Star setting spray. Again, we have only one of this, so we are going to share. Let me
Yeah.
go in first. एक spray करना है. Oh
Yeah,
my
oh,
god.
that's so not us.
अबे
Oh
कुछ
shit!
नहीं आया.
डिंगल का नसीब करा था. It was just
So shit.
Oh my god. Okay.
Okay.
रुक जा मैं पहले. Okay, yeah. उतना आएगा तो.
Yeah, I should have tested it.
Okay.
That's nothing, यार.
सीधा सेंटर में. What about you?
Yeah, मेरे को सिर्फ इधर आया हुआ है, सिर्फ इधर. Okay.
Okay, fine, whatever.
That was a bad luck.
Okay, now moving on to the most tricky part, that is eyes.
Yeah, sorry. मैंने highlighter क्यों बोला? Okay, eyes.
So for eyes, I'm using the Nikki Tutorials X Beauty Bay palette. This is the first time actually I'm going to be using this. And मैंने ना काफी good reviews सुने कि you know it's pigmented and stuff. इसीलिए I picked this up. ये अंदर से ऐसा दिखता है.
Oh my
So
god.
it's like massive. So I'm excited. What are you using?
I'm using this ColourPop का eyeshadow palette. मैं तो basic neutrals पे ही रहने वाली हूँ. So
Yeah.
that, you know, कुछ problem भी हो तो I have something to save too.
Yeah, so even I'm going for a neutral look. So let's begin. ज़्यादा 2-3 shades से ज़्यादा तो use नहीं करना है.
Yeah.
So I'm taking the shade Neela. It's this shade right here. What are you taking?
I'm taking this brown shade over here.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, I don't think that's enough, but ठीक है. Oh, the camera is also picking that up. I think it looks nice.
Nice, yeah, same.
Yeah, okay. Okay, the next shade that I'm going to be using is this one right here. It is called as 5 a.m.
Taking this black shade.
Okay, I think I have enough product.
Same.
So I'm going to be placing this on my outer V.
Oh my god.
that was pigmented.
I want a very little of it.
थोड़ा सा फर्स्ट वाले शेड यूज करने की चुई मच रही है मुझे जस्ट सो दैट दोनों ब्लेंड हो जाए. Now moving on, I'm going to be using a lid shade. I'm using this shade called as All In. Looks
That's-
very sparkly.
Yeah, even I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to use this shade.
Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I'm done.
Excited to see.
Oh,
Wow.
That's
wow.
pretty, okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Dude, wow.
there's something about palettes that are not available in India.
Yeah, dude.
So we are done with the eyes. I think we
Yeah.
did a pretty good job at the eyeshadow. We were freaking out about this part, but I think we both did a great job.
Yeah.
Thanks to our amazing palettes. Now moving on to,
Mascara. I'm using the MAC mascara.
I am using the Lush Paradise mascara.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
भाई इसमें product है.
I don't know. I mean,
I feel this is dried.
so you can take another mascara. You can use mine only.
Yeah, I'll use yours. I feel this is dried. I only wish I could do my eyebrows, yaar.
या वही तो मैं बोल इतने ग्लैम लुक के साथ ना थोड़ी लाइट लग रही है आईब्रोज.
Yeah.
Oh, one dip maybe we have to do the lower lashes also. That I forgot.
But this mascara is really good.
It's the best mascara I've ever tried.
Yes, I तो bought it on sale. तो इसमें कभी ना कभी sale होता ही है. I bought it on 30% off or something. और 580 या ऐसा कुछ. Sale होगा, yeah. पक्का.
Okay, now we are down to the last step of our makeup, which is lipstick. I'm going to be using the Disguise Featherlight Matte Liquid Lip Cream in the shade Relaxed Mocha.
I'm using the Ofra liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Americano.
Okay. I don't think कुछ product आया इसमें तो.
Oh my god. This has good amount of product.
Yeah. इसमें भी है. So So yeah, guys, this is the final look. Let us know in the comments as to how did you enjoy this look. We clearly enjoyed doing this challenge. We did a challenge after so
Yeah.
long. Let us know in the comments as to what other challenges you would like to see. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, please don't forget to
Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon there to get notified every time we upload a new video.
and we shall see you all in our next video now. Bye.